So this is just for documentary purposes. It's first morning. We are in Basel, or somewhere near Basel, I guess. I'll get the exact name later and dub it in at the bottom of the screen. This is where we're docked. It's not fancy or sexy, but we're here looking out the starboard side of the boat. I'll walk over to the port side as well, but we're going to go up on the 4th floor today. You cannot get to the bow of the boat. It's only for the crew, and you can see that they're out there. Here's a small top deck, small area where you can get food later in the day. It's a dining option. Here is the port side of the ship. You can see the gangway. So it's important, I think, for some of the things that you wish you knew. The gangway is actually it's beautiful until you get toward the ship, and then it's very narrow. And so you have to be careful. If you're in a wheelchair, there it is. If you're in a wheelchair, you're going to have some challenges with this, or if you walk with a cane. So just be careful and thoughtful about it. If you take your time, you'll be fine. But this is the area where we happen to be docked. You can see people out walking on the walk area. If I had known we were going to have areas like this, I might have brought my running shoes. Something to think about for next time. You can see in the background there's a building with spires. I have a feeling this is kind of where we'll be walking. It's kind of picturesque. Didn't expect this. It's very nice. And then this is the top deck. And you can see that when they open it up, there will be lounges, excuse me, and umbrellas. And I think it'll be quite nice. I think it will be quite nice. When we got here yesterday, it was so late and we were so rushed that we didn't really realize that it was just so nice out here. And it's way more beautiful than I expected. Let me walk a little bit more quickly because this is a little boring. But this also gives you an idea of how large it is. And then I'm going to show you, this is where the bicycles are. So there are bicycles for the bicycle tours. And it looks like there are quite a number of them. See if we can look from the other side and get a quick count. So it looks like there are 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, probably about 20 bicycles or 25 bicycles on this deck. There may be more on another part of the ship that I don't know about. And here's a rear patio area. And there's somebody else's boat. Don't know who that is right now. And down below us is the swimming pool, which we'll show you later on. But it's actually larger than I originally thought it was going to be. I thought it was a little tiny pool. It's still pretty small, but it's probably 20 feet. 15 to 20 feet. So you can, I wouldn't be doing laps, but it's pretty nice. And then this area out here is a seating area outside of the bar that we're about to go into. So there's a bar in here. Key myself in. And it's pretty dark, but this is the Leopard Bar. And you can see the leopard skin everywhere. So if you didn't know why they called it the Leopard Bar, now you know. It's very dark, but I think it'd be why did you go dark on me? There we go. It's very dark. But you get an idea of the ambiance. There's the leopard in the Leopard Bar. And the picture of the leopard on the wall. There's probably leopards on every wall now that I think about it. Let's go back and take a quick look. Absolutely. There's leopards everywhere. So, and then this stairway goes down to the decks where all the rooms are, and we will resume video later. I figure as long as I'm walking by and we get a shot of the pool area. So when you walk into the pool area, things to know. There's a restroom. There are massage rooms as you walk in. There's a place to get water and ice, but no ice buckets. You have to ask for an ice bucket. Bathrobes, a shower. Then there are lounges. Somebody's been in the pool already this morning, but there are lounges and chairs so you can sit out here and enjoy yourself. I may put a bathing suit on and get a swim in before Robin wakes up. See how I feel. And this is nice. You can get out here at 6 in the morning. So when we were on the top deck, we were able to look in. So now that we're here, let's pace it off so we get an idea of how big this pool is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 paces. I'm thinking about 15 feet. Which is still pretty good size for for a river cruise. That's a really good size. I didn't see these doors before. This is an emergency exit, so we don't go out this way, but there's a way to get out in case something happens. So yeah, this is the pool area. Very nice. Very, very nice.